Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Surah Al-Hood is chapter number 11 of the Quran. Its revelation number is 52. It was revealed at Makkah. It has 10 sections and 123 ayat verses. Section 10, ayat 110 to 123.
وَلَقَدْ آتَيْنَا مُوسَى الْكِتَابَ فَاخْتُلِفَ فِيهِ وَلَوْلَا كَلِمَةٌ سَبَقَتْ مِنْ رَبِّكَ لَقُضِيَ بَيْنَهُمْ وَإِنَّهُمْ لَفِي شَكٍّ مِّنْهُ مُرِيبٍ.
110. And indeed we gave Moses the book, then differences arose about it, and had it not been for a word that had already gone forth from your Rabb, Creator and Sustainer, the matter between them would have been decided. And surely they are in doubt concerning it and are in suspense.
وَإِنَّ كُلًّا لَمَّا لَيُوَفِّيَنَّهُمْ رَبُّكَ أَعْمَالَهُمْ إِنَّهُ بِمَا يَعْمَلُونَ خَبِيرٌ.
111. And surely to all will your Rabb, Creator and Sustainer, repair their deeds in full. Indeed, He is well aware of what they do.
فَاسْتَقِمْ كَمَا أُمِرْتَ وَمَنْ تَابَ مَعَكَ وَلَا تَطْغَوْا إِنَّهُ بِمَا تَعْمَلُونَ بَصِيرٌ.
112. So go straight as you have been commanded yourself, and along with you also those who have turned to Allah, and do not transgress. Surely He sees whatever you do.
وَلَا تَرْكَنُوا إِلَى الَّذِينَ ظَلَمُوا فتمسكم النار وما لكم من دون الله من أولياء ثم لا تنصرون.
113. And do not lean towards those who do wrong, for them the fire will touch you, and you will have no protection beside Allah, and thereafter you will not be helped.
وَأَقِمِ الصَّلَاةَ طَرَفَيِ النَّهَارِ وَزُلَفًا مِنَ اللَّيْلِ إِنَّ الْحَسَنَاتِ يُذْهِبْنَ السَّيِّئَاتِ ذَلِكَ ذِكْرَى لِلذَّاكِرِينَ.
114. And establish the prayer at the two ends of the day and in some parts of the night. Indeed, the good deeds blot out the evil deeds. This is an admonition for those who remember.
وَاصْبِرْ فَإِنَّ اللَّهَ لَا يُضِيعُ أَجْرَ الْمُحْسِنِينَ.
115. And patiently persevere, for indeed Allah does not let the reward of the virtuous go waste.
فلولا كان من القرون من قبلكم أولو بقية ينهون عن الفساد في الأرض إلا قليلا ممن أنجينا منهم واتبع الذين ظلموا ما أترفوا فيه وكانوا مجرمين.
116. If only there had been among the generations of the people before you men with a remnant of righteousness who forbade mischief making in the land, excepting a few whom we saved out of them, and the wrongdoers pursued that which they were given to enjoy, and they were guilty.
وَمَا كَانَ رَبُّكَ لِيُهْلِكَ الْقُرَى بِظُلْمٍ وَأَهْلُهَا مُصْلِحُونَ.
117. And your Rabb, Creator and Sustainer, is not the one who would destroy the townships unjustly while their people were virtuous.
وَلَوْ شَاءَ رَبُّكَ لَجَعَلَ النَّاسَ أُمَّةً وَاحِدَةً وَلَا يَزَالُونَ مُخْتَلِفِينَ.
118. And if your Rabb, Creator and Sustainer had willed, surely He would have made mankind a like-minded community of people, but they will not cease to differ.
إِلَّا مَنْ رَحِمَ رَبُّكَ وَلِذَلِكَ خَلَقَهُمْ وَتَمَّتْ كَلِمَةُ رَبِّكَ لَأَمْلَأَنَّ جَهَنَّمَ مِنَ الْجِنَّةِ وَالنَّاسِ أَجْمَعِينَ.
119. Excepting those on whom your Rabb, Creator and Sustainer has mercy, and for that He has created them, and the word of your Rabb, Creator and Sustainer is fulfilled. Surely I will fill the hell with jinn and men together.
وَكُلًّا نَقُصُّ عَلَيْكَ مِنْ أَنْبَاءِ الرُّسُلِ مَا نُثَبِّتُ بِهِ فُؤَادَكَ وجاءك في هذه الحق وموعظة وذكرى للمؤمنين.
120. And we relate to you all that of the stories of the messengers with whom, stories of the messengers with which we strengthen your heart, and herein the truth has come out to you, and admonition and a reminder for the believers.
وقل للذين لا يؤمنون اعملوا على مكانتكم إنا عاملون.
121. And tell those who do not believe, do as you are doing, surely we too are working.
وانتظروا إنا منتظرون.
122. And wait, surely we too are waiting.
ولله غيب السماوات والأرض وإليه يرجع الأمر كله فاعبده وتوكل عليه وما ربك بغافل عما تعملون.
123. And to Allah belongs the secret of the heavens and the earth, and all affairs will be referred back to Him. So worship Him and put your trust in Him. Your Rabb, Creator and Sustainer, is not unaware of what you do. Synopsis of Section 10, Ayat 110 to 123. In the concluding verses of this surah, Allah the Almighty reminded that if there had been groups of people in past nations who forbade corruption and evil in the land, they would not have been destroyed. But only a few among them forbade wrongdoing, while the majority continued sinning. Thus, those who disbelieved were destroyed, while those who forbade evil and remained righteous were saved. Allah the Almighty also declared that if He wished, He could make all people one nation, but He willed that they would differ. Through this, some would prove themselves deserving of mercy, while others would become worthy of punishment. The Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, was reminded that his duty was only to convey the message clearly, and the final decision rests with Allah alone. The surah concluded with these words: all hidden and visible matters of the heavens and the earth belong to Allah alone. To Him shall all affairs return, and He is the only Lord worthy of worship. Please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.